Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do AI video editing by placing someone's face onto a video. So if you want to do a face swap on your on a video, for example, you have this video that you want to replace it with your own face or vice versa, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So first, you can just open your browser, and then in here just find this page, Mayo Create. Okay, this one's right here, mayocreate.com. So this is a web of AI tools to create or unleash your creativity with free generative AI tools. You can create AI tools. This one's right here, original AI creation platform for all. You can see there's this face swap option. So what you need to do is just tap on this free face swap. There are a photo, face swap, video, and multiple face swap. So you can just choose which one that you need. So in this case, I'm going to just go with video face swap. Okay, next you can see this is the before and this is the after. So you put this face into this video. So what you need to do for the first step is just upload a video with a face. So just tap on upload a video and then choose the video. For example, I'm going to use this videos right here, this video of a moment. And now you can scroll down, and step 2 is upload a photo with a face. Click on upload photo and then choose the photo. Okay, for example, I'm going to go with this one right here. Okay, so the supported format for GIF or video is MP4, MOV, and WebM, and for the image or the photo is JPG, PNG, and WebP. Now we can just tap on swap face now to see the result. Okay, apparently I already limit the maximum I already exceed the maximum limit, so I need to unlock it with credits, and I need to join or subscribe to this Mayo Create first to do the face swap. So if you want to do a free one, you can find on your app store or play store, just find any face swap app that you want. You can see I usually use this one, Reface, or you can also use the other one like Face App, Remake Face, and others. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.